Hey, look. Whoa.
Poor thing. Oh, she giving you pickles. She's giving you pickles. Oh. Yes,
You want some
she
more?
is.
Here, give me a tongue.
Give me pickles.
Ready?
Look at that tongue. Oh my gosh.
You look like you're peanut butter.
Eat, Mom.
Sorry.
Oh, is that good? Oh, yes, she's teasing you with pickles, honey. Oh, you poor thing. Wesley.
Want to try it again? Some more? Last time. I'm afraid we're going to give it a go. Ready? Oh, ready? Oh. Hold on. Oh.
Now he's throwing the pickle.
That one's juicy. Ooh, give him that one.
No.
You want a pickle? Did you not get pickles with yours? Oh,
That's
you want
enough.
You can't give him the pickle. Because if he bites it, then we'll be in trouble.